Today on NEXUMBITE, we'll teach you how to use NEXUMVault, our secure password manager. You already have a tutorial on the channel on how to download it. You can find it in the tag above or in the description. When you start, you'll be asked to create your master password, which you'll use to manage everything. Let's proceed to create it and create our vault. On this screen, we have options such as search, a table to manage everything, categories, and the option to add a new entry. Click on New, enter the site name, your username or email. Password, website address, and a category, the same ones we have on the left. Finally, save the entry, and you'll see how our entry table updates. You can also filter by categories and create new categories. Now, if you add a new entry, you'll see that our newly created category has been added. You can easily filter your passwords using the search bar. In the bottom right corner, you'll see the option to copy the password for the selected entry, which you can then paste wherever you like. You can also delete a record. And lock your vault, requiring you to log in again with your master password. You'll see that your records are saved. If you select the Forgot Password option at startup, you can create a new one. But for security reasons, all your records will be permanently deleted. Now, if you create a new master password, log in and see that all your entries have been deleted. We are currently working on version 2 with new customization features and will release it soon. For any questions, complaints, or suggestions, please leave a comment on this video, contact us through our social media channels, or email us. Thank you.